Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make chili kimchi, updated. First, salt the cabbage evenly and rinse thoroughly before squeezing out excess water. Next, mix a paste with gochugaru, garlic, ginger, fish sauce, and a touch of sugar. Then, massage the paste into the leaves, pack into a jar, and leave to ferment at room temperature until bubbly. Finally, refrigerate to slow fermentation and enjoy the evolving flavors. Start by prepping all ingredients so the process moves smoothly and evenly. Chop cabbage into bite-sized pieces and thinly slice radish and scallions for texture contrast. Combine gochugaru, minced garlic, grated ginger, fish sauce, and sugar into a cohesive paste, adjusting heat to taste. Massage this paste through the cabbage until well coated, ensuring each leaf gets flavor. Pack tightly into a jar to eliminate air pockets before fermenting. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more recipes. Quick recommendation: the new Kindle Paperwhite fits perfectly in a kitchen apron pocket, so you can follow fermenting guides while you work. Its glare-free screen and long battery life make it ideal for messy kitchens. Check the description for the link and other deals, and pick one up if you want to read anywhere. Now let's get back to the video. Monitor fermentation closely in the first few days to capture your preferred flavor balance. Leave the jar at a stable room temperature and burp it once a day to release gas and check taste. When the kimchi is pleasantly sour and aromatic, transfer it to the fridge to slow activity. Cold storage preserves texture and develops complexity over weeks, giving you a versatile condiment for rice, noodles, and sandwiches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.